Hey! Welcome back to another Reet YouTube channel. We're down here at Calder Park Raceway with my co-host Jason Farron.
Hi guys, I'm the co-host today, and I'll be testing out Jassie's fine work with a finally working RB20 AU Falcon.
The AU is finally going to do a skid.
I can't believe it. We're here.
Finally.
It's time.
Finally.
Straight to run the wall layout. We've got some JSut scrappy tyres going on the back right now. Adam on the tools. Where is he? And yeah, we're excited. If you don't know, we made 270.
280.
280 real kilowatt RB20 DE Neo with RB20 DET internals. VCT RB20, that's rare.
And it's still laggy.
We think it's a little bit laggy, but we'll see. We don't know yet, Jazz.
We'll
We
see
haven't
what
lifted it yet.
Seems like it's got a little bit of punch.
But I reckon once it comes on, it's on forever.
Revs to 8.5. As can.
We've also got the build diff in the back with the 411, so I don't know if it's going to be like a second or third gear. We rev this thing to 8,500 RPM.
10K coming soon.
So she's going to be singing.
One lap, limiter up to 10K.
Yeah, enjoy the video. It's going to be spicy, so like it right now because you know it's going to be K. Enjoy.
Let's get it. Popping bottles nightly. Yeah, we're dancing slightly. This bass has got me feisty. Whoa, popping bottles nightly.
Nasty, you could have cleaned the windscreen.
Oh yeah, I was going to do that actually. I was going to pull into a servo. Corey's wash jobs. Corey.
You can tell them about the fresh cage we've got in here.
Oof. True. That's roll gauge. We're now safe. We're safe. Thanks to Ben Venny for whipping this out one night.
Jassie's window cleaning at it again.
Oh. Hey. That dose thing. This thing's never had an alignment. It's still on the eyeball alignment from years ago.
So apparently Randy just put it in the wall. Guest driver Randy driving the pink 32.
Oh, here we go. Yeah, he said go.
It's on, fucker!
She does skits!
I'm so lost where like everything is. Like trying to feel around like the R chassis, like the shifter's like somewhere here and the handbrake's here. It's like all low. Weird. And she does it. That was second. Take it easy. It's definitely, it still grips up a lot. Like it feels really weirdly planted, this car. Live axle bangs. I don't know, like and it doesn't feel like it'll do like really enjoy third, but we'll give it a shot.
She did us good! Woo!
Hey! Few vibrations.
Yeah, she's a bit vibrating. That gate chatters like a motherfucker.
Yeah, I hate the chatter.
It sounds horrible.
I hate chatter gate. Alright. Take two. Bit of vibrations going on. Let's see if we can do third gear.
She's working for it in third.
Definitely working for it. Why does it feel like such a high dip ratio? It's a 411 behind a RB20. Probably needed a 4.3.
Yeah, it does. It feels like it's got a lot of legs. It's weird.
Yeah, it feels like it's got heaps of legs.
Just hooked up maybe, but it shouldn't be hooked up. It's got a 215
215 scrappy.
shat tyre on it.
Yeah, definitely didn't like third.
Nah.
That clutch is harsh as foul. She revs.
Definitely feels like you're in an AU.
It's like weirdly high.
How's the steering?
Big windscreen and shit. Yeah, steers can. It's always steer good, so
Yeah.
not surprised there.
Waistcoat's horrible.
Popping bottles nightly, yeah, we're dancing slightly. This bass has got me feisty, feisty, feisty. Whoa, popping bottles nightly, yeah, we're dancing slightly. This bass has got me feisty, feisty, feisty. Let's get it.
Front brakes were good. On the brake a bit. It's still struggling. Why? Should chalk them.
Did a skid.
I don't
Success.
Like it. I don't like it. Here's the review. The only thing I like is that fat dose. Everything else is shat. What have you done, Jesse? So we get back in. I was like, surely he put a high pressure in the tyres. They're a 215. I thought they were like a scrappy. Turns out we had a spicy Rodex / Gin U on the back. It is a 215, but it's still a grippy tyre. And he's put them down to like 20 PSI. Or they were on 20 PSI.
They were on 20.
So we're pretty much running on the sidewall. His diff pinion angle is probably like, so we're like max grip mode. We don't want that. We want full blaze mode. Make it easy, get it up in the RPMs. There's a few vibrations going on. That clutch is harsh as hell. It was about to snap the chassis in half. Apart from that, it steers good.
It sounds horrible.
Sounds horrible. I hate the exhaust. Sounds like a Subaru revving its ass off with a restrictive muffler or something.
Yeah.
The standard manifold. So we'll be changing that, and I reckon it needs more power up top. But that's my first reviews on it.
Steers good though.
Yeah, steers.
Steers good.
Steers good.
Why we didn't touch it?
That's a good. Yeah, the thing that was already good beforehand is still good.
That's a win in my books.
Handbrake works, so that's a bonus, and it has a good dose. The rest, shit. So I'm giving the keys to Jassy now because I'd like to drive the car that's nice to drive. 34. Oh, I see. You can deal with this shatness, Jassy.
It's
Enjoy.
stage one. Or
Stage
two.
one.
Stage one or two.
There's some
Stage two.
Been some hours in this.
Stage two. So stay tuned for
Oh.
stage two.
Enjoy, mate. See ya.
He just doesn't understand me. Just doesn't get it.
Popping bottles nightly, yeah, we're dancing slightly. This bass has got me feisty, feisty, feisty. Whoa, popping bottles nightly, yeah, we're dancing slightly. This bass has got me feisty, feisty, feisty. Let's get it.
It's outro time because we forgot to film one
on the night, as you do. Too many things going on.
Ooh, what a weapon. She rips. She absolutely rips.
Someone.
She rips. Very successful first outing. It nothing broke. It didn't axle tramp. It spins the wheels, no worries. The rear end's solid because that clutch is pretty harsh. Very harsh. We've got a bit of a list on things we want to do now.
Turbski has a bit of oil stank because I think the seal, I knew this on, because this used to be on that car when it was RB20, and we always knew you had a bit of a leak inside the seals, so you can smell a bit of burning oil going
Don't
on.
feel real great, didn't they?
It's at the end of its life, so it has to be upgraded. So Hyper Gary's gonna give us a build a wheel, maybe go a little bit bigger in front and rear sizes, to see if we can get that power curve to continue a bit longer, because it really does die on the ass. And this thing sounds like absolute ass in the car.
That's so much potential, like this manifold with this motor, with this exhaust.
Like G-ready, it has to be spicy.
It has to. Next minute. It's supposed to be the world's best sounding AU in the world, and it let us down. So
Just sounds like an Inter.
we're going to change that. It will be
It will be.
the world's best sounding AU. It's just a work in progress.
Anyway, yeah, so we've got a few things to do.
Turbo, manifold. Hopefully that fixes the wastegate chattering.
Maybe a PWR cooler, because every car has to have. Nothing against Phoenix, they're spicy. They've got a spicy radiator. PWR for the cooling. Ooh. Stay tuned, like and subscribe if you want to see more of this. It's about time the AU100 comes out. We just picked up some parts that's been in the corner for long enough.
Yeah.
So yeah, the AUs will be back in action.
The battle of the AUs.
If you also didn't see, we're bringing the Adam LZ World Tour to Australia. End of year, you're probably going to see the entire Reet fleet down at Calder Park on October 21st.
And 22nd.
Yeah, 22nd. It's going to be huge. All the guests in the world, and the best guest of all, Jason Farr.
Put all the cars into the wall.
Oh, there'll be
Broke
no
this
car.
one. Sorry, Jimmy Oakes. I'm going to have to get in that one, bro. Sorry, Adam. You're going to have to just watch from now. I need that car.
Yeah, so many of the cars are left at the end of the year. But I'm sure all the guests will be driving them. It's going to be a spicy event. Tickets drop at this date here.
And
Put it in
comment below who you're keen to see drive the AU Ute and the AU Sedan.
That's a good point. We've got the whole list of all the cars. So we've got the AU100, AU, 32, 34, 33. We've got a few cars.
The barrel wag's going to be back.
Oh, who knows? Might have a V3 wag. It also needs
Definitely
an update.
won't have a V3 wag.
No, we have to. Comment who you think
Thanks
should
for
be.
watching.
Comment who you think should be in what cars. We should put Samet in this one here.
Popping bottles nightly.
And yeah,
We're
that's
dancing
about it.
slightly.
We'll see you next time.
Well, as long as it's interesting.
Whoa, popping bottles nightly. Yeah, we're dancing slightly.